All right, welcome back. The installation finished. I'm gonna select finish, and it's gonna reboot and ask for us to disconnect our image. All right, see here it says please remove the disk, close the tray, and press enter. Now to do that, we're gonna come to devices, optical drive, and it's already been removed on my instance. But if you want to know what it looks like if it's attached, same thing. Come back, it'll be checked. You select remove disk from virtual drive. Press enter, and then voila, the instance is back up. It's running smoothly. Select to run it, and let it load in. And test users on the screen. I can move without any problems. And just so you know, there's different views. You can use the scaled mode, the full screen mode. So full screen, it just takes over the entire screen. Let's minimize that. We can come back here and go back to view, and then we can do a scaled mode, which allows it to be a bigger view. It's not the best view at all times. It's like stretched. But that's the different options you can run there. But all in all, everything's running fine. It's letting the MX Linux is just showing me the time, hard drive usage, memory usage, and CPU usage. All this stuff will vary depending on your VM, your hardware that you're running it on, if it's your Linux system or Windows operating system for your VM guests. It depends on your host. And don't forget, if you're having problems running VirtualBox, you may have to turn on virtualization in your BIOS. All right, thanks, comment, subscribe, and that's it.